Today in this video we will see how to blink LED using Arduino Nano. So code is going to be very simple, and I will also share the link of the code and more details about the program. So let's go ahead and build the first program using Arduino Nano. Okay. To build this project we need Arduino Nano, LED, and jumper wire, resistor, and breadboard. And we should also have the cable to load data, like upload code in Arduino Nano. And visit this URL to get the code. So we have the details to make the project, and if you scroll down you will see code here and some notes about the project. So it's a very simple project. Now it's time to upload the code. So get the code from here, and I will go ahead and paste into Arduino IDE. And I will have to select Arduino Nano. I have to change the board, right? So I have selected Arduino Nano. Okay, so it has been connected, and now upload the code. So on the bottom right you see the code is getting uploaded, and should not take more than few seconds. Finally it is being uploaded, and we have the results. So this is done. So this is it for this video.